Mrs. Dino.
Oh, come
I'm
on.
really rich.
Sunday Night Pride.
Oh, yeah.
Well, welcome back again to yet another Sunday Night Pride. Oh, and welcome back, spring. Man, what's the matter with you? What's it look like, man? I'm cold. Cold? Yeah, didn't you hear me? Frigid, freezing, I say frio, frozen cold. Have you seen the weather forecast for today? Just look at this. '50s, '40s, snow in the northern parts. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Man, it's not cold. It's perfect. 6 days. 6 days into spring, and it's still like Jack Frost.
Yeah, and?
And it's time for you to go. Goodbye. You know, move on down the road. Man, winter is taking out its revenge on you. Don't you remember all those warm days in the winter? Well, winter is saying it's payback. I only wish it would snow. Really? Yeah, really. I wish it were an avalanche. Okay. Man, what do you mean, okay? What? Oh, no. I guess Mike's just got to learn how to let it go. Somebody turn the heat up. It's cold. I'm about to sing Sunday Night Pride is the place to freeze, where we catch a bad cold with a simple breeze. New Grace is the place, and it's plain to see we are ready for the flowers and the greenery. Oh, yeah. Woo.